Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating a small saucepan over low heat. Add chopped kinder and butter. Stir constantly so the chocolate melts smoothly and does not scorch. Once glossy and barely warm, remove from heat and stir in the condensed milk to bind. This controls texture and sweetness. Make sure to work in a warm bowl so the mixture stays fluid. Pour a test spoon to check consistency, then transfer immediately to your prepared pan to avoid premature setting. Once the base is combined, you add crunchy inclusions like crushed biscuits or chopped hazelnuts and fold them in gently so you retain contrast without overworking the mix. You must keep the mixture warm but not hot. Overheating causes graininess. Cooling too fast makes it stiff. Use a flexible spatula to scrape the bowl and ensure everything is even. If the batter firms while mixing, briefly warm the bowl over simmering water and continue folding until smooth and pourable. You press the mixture evenly into the lined pan, tapping to remove air pockets, then score the top for neat slices after a short firm-up. Chill in the fridge for 2-3 hours until firm yet tender. This timing preserves chewiness. When cutting, use a hot knife wiped between cuts for clean edges. If you run into problems, try this troubleshooting tip. If the fudge is grainy, gently reheat with a tablespoon of cream and stir until glossy. If too soft, extend chilling time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.